What's up everyone, this is Pedro with Syzygy Coffee and welcome to our official YouTube channel. So this is going to be a place in which we talk about all things coffee. We're specialty coffee roasters, so we'll tell you guys what the difference between specialty coffee and traditional coffee is. We're going to be talking about different brewing methods, such as the Chemex, the AeroPress, the Kalita, French press, and we're also going to be posting tutorials on that as well. And we're also going to be talking about different coffee drinks and what the difference between them are. What's a latte, a cappuccino, how to make them, how to brew them. We started the company, my wife and I, back in 2021. Syzygy itself means the alignment of 3 or more celestial objects. Think of it as a solar eclipse in which you have the sun, the earth and the moon all perfectly aligned. Working with the farmers, ensuring that the green coffee is perfect, roasting to the correct profile, and ultimately, getting a perfect cup of coffee. You can also find us on other social media platforms such as TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram at Syzygy Coffee. Our website is syzygycoffee.com, where you can find different ranges of coffees. Our premise is to roast coffee as soon as you order. This is what our packaging looks like. Let us know in the comments down below what you'd like to see more of, what types of videos you'd like, any suggestions or any questions. If you guys like coffee, space, astronomy as much as we do, consider subscribing, liking the video, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Welcome to Syzygy Coffee, where we roast and you drink. Until next time.